Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Notion tracker. We'll start by creating a new page and choosing the table database type. This forms the foundation of your tracker. Next, you'll define key properties like name, status, due date, and priority to categorize your items effectively. Remember to customize these property types, selecting options such as text, date, or a multi-select to perfectly match your tracking requirements. This initial setup is crucial for a well-organized system. Once your basic tracker is set up, it's time to customize it further. Consider adding more specific properties like tags for categorization, a progress bar for visual updates, or an assign to field for teamwork. Notion offers various views, such as a board for Kanban-style tracking or a calendar for deadlines, allowing you to visualize your data in different ways. Don't forget to use filters and sorts to quickly find the information you need, making your tracker incredibly efficient. To truly elevate your Notion tracker, explore its powerful automation features. You can implement formulas to automatically calculate progress percentages, display conditional text based on status, or even automate status updates. For recurring tasks, leverage templates and database automations to save time and ensure consistency. Furthermore, link your tracker to other relevant Notion pages or databases, creating a seamlessly integrated system that supports all your organizational needs. These advanced features transform a simple list into a dynamic management tool. To get the most out of your Notion tracker, consistent engagement is key. Make it a habit to regularly review and update your entries, ensuring all information remains accurate and relevant. Incorporate emojis and icons to visually differentiate tasks, priorities, or categories, making your tracker more engaging and easier to scan at a glance. If you're working with others, share your tracker with team members to facilitate collaborative project management, fostering transparency and shared understanding. A well-maintained tracker is a powerful productivity ally.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.